2001 Mercedes-Benz SLK320 convertible or retractable hardtop. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. Odometer reads just over 58,000 on it. 3.2 liter V6 power, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlights. Paint shows well, but it is black. You've got a few spots that have been touched up by a previous owner with a little bit of a pebble chip or what have you, but overall paint has a nice shine to it, shows well. Black with charcoal leather interior and eucalyptus wood trim. Copy of the window sticker in the still pictures. Check them all out. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you'll be able to see the still pics, underside, interior, engine bay, that window sticker, some of the other accessories that are going to go along with this car. If you're watching the video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Mercedes-Benz wheels, Continental radials. Brakes are 90% in the front, 60% in the rear, and I'll give you some more notes from the technician in just a bit. First, let's take a peek down this passenger side. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection in it, almost looks like it's wet. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, it's black. You'll find an imperfection here or there. There might have been just a little bit of one right there. It's being awful fussy. Of course, bucket seats, leather, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer. This will come with a folder full of service receipts. Does come with the owner's manual, the radio card with the code on it, the information that you're going to need. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, it's going to come with a car cover, come with a battery charger. Not looked at this real close. Windscreen. That's what it appears to be. All right, let's take a peek down this driver's side. A few more notes from the technician that drove this. Remember, the shade in the trunk needs to be locked for the power top to work. And other than that, really checked out well. There is one light on the dash. I'm going to show you that when we get in there, and it looks like the service is due by a few hundred miles, so I'll give you the heads up on that too. But again, two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, drives out nice. Jason's going to take for a drive at the end of this video, show you how it drives out. Goes down the road. Driver's side, also in nice condition, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. One little touch-up, it looks like, right there. Door panels also in great shape. Seats, really considering the age of the car, show very little wear, a little bit in the bolster. And that's just the kind of natural aging or wrinkling of the hide that's used on that seat. Get the keys out and ready here. All right, exact miles right there, 58,034. Looks good. I do have the radio working, like I said. The code for it, if you'd ever need it, is in with the owner's manual. Of course, power windows, heated seats. The heated seats may have been one of the options. Here's the one dash light that was on. I believe it has to do with braking. Brake booster. Does not affect the drivability though. And of course, power top switch, power mirrors. Take a look at that window sticker. It's going to tell you exactly how this car is equipped. Gauges, coolant temp, looks like fuel gauge, and tack. Tack is also working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Not a loud car by any means, nice and quiet. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let me get this hood popped so we can check out that engine bay. I will show you the top functioning going up and down. We'll check out the condition of that in just a bit. First, let's take a look at the engine bay. All right, underside of the hood, nice condition. Nice and clean and tidy. It doesn't look like this thing's been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. There it is, the 3.2 liter V6. Of course, nicely equipped again, power steering, power brakes, AC, AC's cold. Running very smooth, and that is one clean engine bay. Again, remember this car is what, 24 years old now? A lot of states, that's going to qualify for collector status. And again, you'll be able to see the engine bay in the pictures. There'll be way over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. All right, let's check out this convertible top. Actually, convertible hardtop. Give me a second, tripod set up, and let's see how it works. And just like that, hard top up, looks like a coupe. So side glass, nice fit. And as far as the condition of the paint on the top, looks like the rest of the car, if you ask me. Nice shine to it, no major dings. Oop, here we do have a little bit of a touch up right there. Gotta look close to see it. So again, yeah, kind of tough to see from this side. Just a little bit of touch-up paint on there. Other than that, top's looking good. And again, it's being pretty fussy in a car that's 24 years old. It's got to be just in the right light to see it. And you can see the paint still has a nice reflection, shine to it. All right, let's check that top going back down into its storage compartment. See how that functions. And again, stick around to the very end. Jason will take this for a drive. 2001 two-owner Mercedes-Benz SLK320 retractable hardtop. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, let's check that top out, and we'll let Jason get it going on the driving video.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2001 Mercedes SLK320. This is a convertible and we have the top down today on a beautiful summer day in Minnesota. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Nice little performance coupe. All the engineering of Mercedes, the performance, and just old enough that it's affordable for many people. And this car has less than 60,000 miles on it. Stereo sounds great. The AC's blowing cold. Our engine temperature is showing 80 degrees Celsius. The fuel gauge is 3/4 of a tank full. We're doing 55 miles an hour, and the tachometer showing 2,000 RPM. Power options. Nice bucket seats. Very comfortable. Wood grain. 2001 with wood grain. The ongoing saga of, do they still use wood grain in vehicles? I think they do now. Wood grain will never die. Nice smooth braking, excellent power steering. I can push it in the corner and it stays flat. That was 40 miles an hour coming out of that corner. Very nice cornering, small, nimble machine. Take a look at all the pictures of this Mercedes convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.